Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how to remove shared files permanently from your Google Drive account. It is super simple guys, so make sure you keep watching and drop a like. So head over to Google Drive, make sure that you're logged in with your associated Google/Gmail account. And what you want to do guys is head over to or take a look at that panel here to the left on your home screen. And here to the left you will see a section called Shared with Me. So if you hover your mouse over it, you will see that description, items shared with me. So here you will see all the items, including folders, files, and documents someone sent you or shared with you through their Google Drive account. And removing these files permanently from your Google Drive is super simple. Simply right-click on the given file and select remove, or alternately use the delete key on your keyboard. What you want to do also guys, if you'd like to delete multiple files, is simply select them by clicking with your left mouse and by drawing a square like that to mark as many items as you like. And after that, repeat the last process. Simply right click, select remove, and delete the given files. And that's basically it guys. I hope this video was helpful and we'll catch you later.